Hello guys, we're gonna play grow, grow a garden in space. Wait, I'm sorry. I played this game before. Can my sister speak or not? Oh, Skippy dito. Sorry guys. I have a song for you guys. A coconut, not is a giant. Not if you eat too much, you get very fat. A coconut, not is a big nut. Is it a delicious nut? Is not a nut. Is the cocoa fruit? Is the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree? Bro, you take my... Bro, you take... sorry guys. I think you guys like my song. Oh my god, guys, it's getting bigger and bigger. Skip it. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, big. A coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat. A coconut nut is a big nut. Is it a delicious nut? Is not a nut. Is the cocoa fruit? Is the cocoa fruit of the cocoa tree? Of the cocoa tree? Of the cocoa family? Na. I think the bigger than bigger is good. Bardero, krokodilo, lirilo. Oh yeah, I should sell all my video. Well, dang. Oh, sorry guys, I said a bad word. Don't copy me. I'm sorry guys. Please don't copy me. That's bad. I'm sorry. I said that on purpose. Okay. I said that on purpose. I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna touch my lettuce farm ever again. Wow. Getting bigger. Wow, mewong. Dua po. I don't know guys. They said in the quest I harvest melons. Look guys. How did I harvest 20 orange plums? Bro, I don't know what. Wait, guava? Sorry guys for that. Magkano ba to? Ano kaya to? Do you guys hear my PC or not? Oh, laptop, I'm sorry. No! I don't want to touch it. Zoe. Inventor. Yeah! I can buy stuff. I think it's just one time use. Cook the book. Sorry guys for that girl. I'm sorry. Yeah, one time. Sell. Nilagay na nila. Nilagay na nila. Gift. Nilagay na nila gift. Oh, I'm sorry. One. Inventory. Earn 99. Oh my god, my sis is talking. Don't mind her. Limited edition. Tumatawa lang ate kasi. This thing. Compolazi. Mushroom seed. Orange seed. Should I buy cord? No. Before. I'm sorry, let us see. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Sorry guys. We just waiting, we just waiting, yeah, yeah. We just waiting, we just waiting. I'm sorry. Lucy saying 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hoy! Nakabuksan na! Oy, sorry guys. Nakakainis ate ko. Sobra. Sorry guys, nakakainis. Guys, nakakainis na. Nakakainis yung ate ko. Nakakainis. Sorry. Nakakainis. Guys. Where my oh. There we go. Bro, they copying grow a garden, no. Bro, they copying grow a garden. Not fair. Not fair. A coconut nut is a giant nut. If you bit it too much, you get very fat. A nut is a big nut. Is it a delicious nut? It's not a nut. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit. Of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa family. Na. Is the cocoa fruit. Eat the cocoa fruit. Of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa tree. Of the cocoa family. Na. This is it for all, guys. Goodbye, guys.